Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about cut command. So using cut command, how to extract the data, whatever we require data, how to extract and those things we will discuss. The syntax of cut command is like cut and the options. Okay, so if you don't know the options of cut command, you just need to use man cut. Okay, these are the options. B means byte, C means character, D means delimiter, F means fields. Okay, N means ignored, complement means set of lines or characters or fields. Okay, S means these are the options. Okay, the syntax for cut command is cut options and the file name. Okay, these are the syntax for cut command. Suppose let me start with cut command basics. Okay, now if I do echo BC Reddy DevOps, I need to cut the third character. Okay, C means character. I need to cut the third character. So third character is R. Okay, so whatever the output of this one, right? I need to, if I need to find the third character, the output should be 3. Here third character is R, so it should be displayed R. So if I need to find the ninth character, okay, D means D is the ninth character. Okay, it should be start with 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, ninth character it will come to the D. Space also it should be consider. Okay, now I need to find the characters in between 1 to 5, so you just need to give hyphen. So whatever it should be there, so it should be displayed from 1 to 5. BC ready. Okay, till it should be displayed. So if I need one after the other character, I need to display one character, first one and third one, fifth one. So you just need to use comma 3 5 7. Alternative context you need to print. Okay, so the command should be uh, you just need to give comma. So it should be first character B and second C it is removed and third is R and fourth is removed, fifth is D small d and sixth is removed, seventh one is Y, it should be displayed. Okay, so if I need instead of bytes, okay, I need to find the byte. So here hyphen means it range. If you didn't mention anything, it should be a particular character. If you give commas, right, it should be taking as a fields. Okay, C means character. Okay, let me get the some information like I have a file. Okay, I have a file. So fields we will display. Currently, I have a states file in this. I have downloaded. Okay, the content of the state file is like I have few states. Okay, in these states, if I need to mention the character, okay, if I need to mention the specified character each line, so just command is cut hyphen character is 4 uh, hyphen C. I just need to use C. Fourth character I need to display all the state file, so it should be displayed. Fourth character is in the each line, the fourth character is H. okay, and here A. So like this it should be displayed. The same way, if we need the range in between 1 to 4, so it will be displayed. If you need one after the other, like whatever the characters, if you need, right, you just need to mention the comma. So second character, fourth character, eighth character, like this. So whatever it should be there, it should be displayed. Okay, based on the cut command it will be displayed. So range we have seen, and characters we have seen. If you need in between second character to fourth character, okay, and eighth character to 10th character, if you need to display, so it should be displayed based on that one. So to see the command, to see this the file output, so 2 to 4, first 2 is nd, okay, eighth one is 8th, and 10th is like 8 9 10, it will come, right, three characters it will come, okay. So pra hyphen means 2 3 4, here 8 9 it will come, here a and d pra, it should be output, the output is a and d pra, like this. So if you want to display the specific column, so here there is no columns, right, so it is only one line, one words, okay. So let me download some csv file, okay, let me download the csv file, the comma separated file we need, okay. So to download any file, the command is wget, and the url if you provided, right, it will be download from the internet. If you see ls-l, there is a username dot csv file. If you give cat dot username, so each field separated with semicolon, means this is one user information, and this is another user information, is username, identifier, first name, last name, okay. So this one is related to uh, one user information, the second one is also another user information, okay. To separated with each user information, we use the delimiters, okay. Delimiter is one or more characters that separated by the text string, okay. The common delimiters are so we can use either pipe symbol, okay, pipe symbol, or semicolon, or comma also we can use, or quotes also we can use, okay, or braces also we can use, or pipe we have, and slashes also we can use, okay. These are the delimiters, okay. So the using delimiter we can separate the data, okay. So let me get into this one, okay. If I need to display the specific column data, okay, so I need to display the third column, okay. So I need to use each row, it should be having a delimiter, okay. Here delimiter means like cut uses default tab as a delimiter, okay. So in linux space is not considered a delimiter, right, so we use commas, okay. So now I need to display the specific column. Hyphen d means delimiter separator, the default delimiter is tab, okay. So F means field, so now I need to use cut hyphen D. Here my delimiter is semicolon. I need to remove this one. Okay, I need to display field 3. Okay, whatever third field it should be there, right? The second, first one is username, second one is identifier, third one is first name. Okay, all the first name related information it will come, and the file name is username. See, all the first name related information we got. Okay, suppose your delimiter is hyphen, you just need to use hyphen. So if your delimiter is comma, you just need to use comma. So it will be remove that delimiter, and it will be displayed that particular field. Okay. Now if you want to display the first and fifth column, there is no fifth column, right? If you need to use first comma third. So we don't have that one, right? That's why display complete one. So you just need to use semicolon. So it should be displayed the first one and third one. Okay. So second one it should be deleted. Now in between 1 to 3 range, so you will get this information. Okay, first one, second one, and third one. So if you want I don't want to first and third, remaining it should be displayed. Okay, that time you just need to use complement. Okay, so instead of what I'm saying here, right, the same one, if I give hyphen hyphen complement, complement spelling is mistake, man cut cut hyphen D. I'm using delimiter space semicolon hyphen hyphen complement. I need to accept 1 comma 3 field, so remaining it need to be displayed. So it should be displayed 1 2 3, the last column it should be displayed, the last name only it should be displayed. See the username, the output here, the first one is user, we provided the range, so 2 also it should be removed, and the third one it should be removed, only last one it should be displayed. So that is field. Hyphen D means delimiter, F means field, C means character. Okay, and B means bytes. Okay, so if you need to display only the byte information, okay, hyphen B if you use, right. So if you didn't mention it without options, just cut and file name, it doesn't show anything. So you just need to provide the uh, options. Okay, then only it will be considered. So if you give bytes, right, only the character byte information, just use cut hyphen B I need to display 1, 3, 5 and the file name if you provided, right? Only the characters of first byte and the third byte and fifth byte information it should be displayed. If you want to range, you just need to provide the option. Okay. If you need first three, okay, so you just need to give 3 instead of this one. If you provided only hyphen 3, right, it should be displayed first 3 characters. So if you provided same line, it should be started with 3, right? After third, it should be displayed the characters, displayed end of the line, complete line. Hyphen C option we have seen. Okay, hyphen C means cut. Same, if you provided hyphen before the number, like so it should be from first line to till that line. If you provided after that minus, right, from that line to end of the line it will be taking. So space also should be a delimiter. Okay, so if you need to provide the space, okay, if you need to remove the space, the command is hyphen d space, you have field 1 state. So it should be removed the only Andhra. So it will remove the space first character only. So that we are getting output only Andhra. So if you provided range 1 to 2, so it should be get complete one Andhra Pradesh. So complement means as we said, right, if you accept that one, whatever you are going to be accept, so remaining should be, it should be displayed. So in this is one word and there is a space and Pradesh is another word, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so if you use complement, right, except the first one, what I'm going to show here, right, complement hyphen d delimiter space 1. So first one except first one, so remaining things it should be displayed. So suppose by default the output delimiter is same as the input delimiter. When you specify the cut with hyphen d option, okay, the output delimiter use the output delimiter only. Suppose if I want to use cut hyphen d space hyphen 1 comma 2 file name and the output of delimiter is hyphen output delimiter. I just need to mention the percentage. Wherever the space is there, I just need to mention the percentage. So here the delimiter, the space is there, right? In between we have mentioned the percentage. Okay. There is two words. One is Arunachal Pradesh, another one is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So like this we use the cut command. Okay. Suppose if we need to see the first three lines, okay, so cat state file, I just need to see top 3 and I need to cut the delimiter field 1 and I wanted to give the output as a list.txt. So whatever we are getting the output from the states, so we are taking first three lines, we are cutting that field. Okay, so output should be coming Andhra, Telangana, like it should be coming whatever it should be there. So it should be displayed into, it would be saving into the um, list.txt file. So this greater than symbol means it should be redirecting this output to the this file name. If you see cat list.txt, so the output information it should be saved here. Okay, and that's all about in this cut command. So you just need to use options. So based on your requirement, we can get the output from the file. Okay, if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.